Install the HP Accessibility Assistant on your HP LaserJet MFP in the HIP2 or hardware integration pocket, or attach it to the printer using a USB cable. Before installing the HP Accessibility Assistant, your printer must have the latest firmware installed. From the home screen of the printer control panel, navigate to Reports, and then navigate to View or Print a Configuration page to check the firmware version. Go to support.hp.com/drivers to download any available software or drivers for your HP printer. The HP Accessibility Assistant requires the printer language set to English, and all voice commands must be spoken in English. Unpack and remove all supplies from the box. In the box, you'll find the HP Accessibility Assistant, a back cover plate for installation, 2 Velcro strips, and 2 USB cables, one shorter than the other. A small flat-bladed screwdriver is required for installing the HP Accessibility Assistant in the HIP2 Pocket, but does not come inside the box. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Follow these steps to install the HP Accessibility Assistant in the HIP2 Pocket. On the HIP2 cover, slide the flat tip of the screwdriver into the gap, and then lift the cover and remove it from the HIP2 Pocket. From the unboxed materials, select the shorter of the 2 USB cables. On the back of the HP Accessibility Assistant, locate the connection port. Slide the 6-pin connector end of the USB cable into the port. Inside the HIP2 Pocket, slide the other end of the cable into the USB port. Position the HP Accessibility Assistant so the buttons face up and the volume controls face away from the printer control panel, and then install it into the HIP2 Pocket until it snaps into place. Press the power button to turn on the printer. This completes installing the HP Accessibility Assistant in the HIP2 Pocket. Follow these steps to install the HP Accessibility Assistant using an external USB port on the printer. From the unboxed materials, select the longer of the 2 USB cables. On the back of the HP Accessibility Assistant, locate the connection port. Slide the 6-pin connector end of the USB cable into the port. From the unboxed materials, select the back cover plate and align the cable guide into the notch on the back. Press the back cover plate firmly until it snaps into place. From the unboxed materials, use the Velcro strips to attach the HP Accessibility Assistant to the printer. For each Velcro strip, peel off the backing and attach it to a rubber foot on the back cover plate. Peel off the remaining backing on the Velcro strips, and then press the HP Accessibility Assistant down firmly to attach it to the side or top of the printer. On the printer, connect the other end of the cable into any available USB port. Press the power button to turn on the printer. This completes installing the HP Accessibility Assistant to the printer through an external USB port. For more information on using the HP Accessibility Assistant, refer to the HP Accessibility Assistant User Guide or go to hp.com/support/HPAA.